guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do an unboxing. So I have Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks to unbox. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I haven't opened up the box yet. I wanted to give my kind of first impressions on them. So I placed an order a couple weeks ago when she had the 2 for $20 on her singles, just to add a little bit more to my collection. I love her stuff, so I wanted to get some more. So when you open it up, it comes with a slip of the set that you get. And mine's pink this time. It's way pretty. And then her box that looks like this, which I'm sure you guys know. And then the card that you get. And it says, I hope you love your latest purchase. Stay tuned for more exciting products coming soon. XOXO, Kylie Jenner. Her handwritten note that she gives in everything that you buy. So I placed an order on 4 singles. They're mixed between some of the newer stuff and some of the older stuff. I wanted to get some things that I didn't have. So I got Malibu. This is one of her matte liquid lipsticks. And I got Candy K. This is one of the original matte liquid lipsticks. And then I got 2 of her new ones. These are both the Velvet liquid lipsticks. I got Heat and Shook. And I already got Mood. So I got 3 out of 4 that she released. So these are the 4 that I got. I'm going to do a try on with all 4 of these. I also have a makeup bag full of all her lip products that just fell everywhere. But yeah, I have a bag full of her products. I absolutely love her matte liquid lipsticks. Those are my favorite. I'm wearing Dulce K right now. It's my favorite nude. But I prefer the matte than the velvets, but I do love the velvets as well. I have most of the velvets, but I don't have all of them. But if you like a lipstick that will last you all day, I definitely recommend the matte liquid lipstick than the velvet, because the velvet you will have to reapply. If you eat something, it will all smear out, but not like a lipstick, because like if you wear a lipstick and you eat or drink anything, it's gone in like one time. But the velvet, it's not even like that. Like it will last, but you'll have to touch up. But for the matte, I find myself going all day and I don't have to do any kind of touch-ups. I just put it on and then I'm good for the whole day. So if you guys would like to see any kind of try-on swatches of any of her older ones, I have a bag full of them that I can do for you. But I will be doing try-on and swatches of the 4 that I bought. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have you zoomed in so you can see the lip colors up close. I took off the Dulce K and I'm going to go ahead and begin with the first color. I'm going to start off with the lighter color so that way my lips don't get stained throughout all this. And just bear with me because my lips are probably going to dry out. So the first color I have is Malibu. And let me go ahead and put this on. I'm going to put on a second coat because I can still see through my lips. Trying to let it dry up a little bit. Okay. So this is Malibu. I think that it's kind of light for my complexion, but it doesn't look too bad like some of her other ones. Like the ones in the KKW collection I think are really light, but this one I actually kind of like it. I like it with this purple eyes that I have going on. I think that this is a really cute color. It's not my favorite, but I still like this color. And this one is Malibu. Okay guys, so the next color I have is called Candy Cane. And this one is also a matte liquid lipstick. I already went ahead and took off Malibu. And now I'm going ahead and applying. And I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats. Okay, and I'm just blowing it off to let it dry a little bit. It dries up pretty fast. Okay, and this is Candy Cane. I think that this one is pretty, but I'm not really into pinks. I guess I thought it would be a little bit more nudish, I guess. But it's okay. It looks good in my complexion. I don't think I would wear this one really. But yeah, it's okay. Alright, so I'm down to the last 2. My lips are looking pretty rough because to get this stuff off, you have to really scrub. I've got my makeup wipe right here with all the scrubbing I did, but I had to scrub really hard to get all this off. It's really hard to get off, which is a good thing, but it also it's unpleasant to have to scrub so hard, but I definitely want to make sure that my lipstick stays on all day. So the next color that I have is called Shook. And this one is a velvet. So these are creamy, and they have they apply more they come off easy when you try to take them off, and they apply smoothly. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and apply Shook. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Oh wow. So I might like this color more than I do Mood from the one of my other videos. I did a review on Mood. I had it on. But this one's called Shook, and this was just one application, and I don't even need 2 applications. It's very pigmented. It's super creamy, but it looks so matte, and I love that about these. I definitely do recommend Velvet if you don't want to have to deal with matte or cracky lips. I think that this color is absolutely stunning. And this one is called Shook. Alright guys, I'm down to the final lipstick. So the final one I have is called Heat. And again, this one is a velvet liquid lipstick. My lips are stained from the last velvet because the color is red and it stains my lips. My lips are also getting dried and they're starting to hurt a little bit from taking off all the colors. But it's no big deal. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch Heat. Alright, and this one is Heat. And I think that this color reminds me of pumpkin and yeah, just pumpkin. I don't have 22, her orange one, but I have pumpkin and it kind of looks similar. But this is a really pretty color. And again, I love her velvet formula. It's so smooth. It's not my favorite one from the velvets, but it's pretty and it's very pigmented, especially for one coat. So those are all the swatches that I have for you guys. If you guys would like to see any more of Kylie Cosmetics lip swatches, I have a ton of products from her. I have her velvets, her lip glosses, her metals, her mattes. I have quite a bit. If you have any requests of any ones in particular that you want to see, just leave them down below and I'll let you know if I have them and I can do that for you. And if you have any kind of video requests, just leave them down below and I'll be more than happy to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!